Welcome, fellow travelers, to our exciting journey through Europe, where we uncover the continent's best-kept secrets and hidden gems. In today's episode, we will guide you through breathtaking destinations that often go unnoticed by the average tourist. So, here are some of Anne Rebo Travel's picks. Our first hidden gem takes us to the beautiful village of Hallstatt in Austria. Nestled between the majestic Alps and a serene lake, Hallstatt offers a fairy tale-like setting. Explore its charming streets, visit the Hallstatt salt mine, and witness the breathtaking views from the skywalk. Don't forget to capture some envy-inducing pictures for your social media. From Austria, we now head south to Croatia, where we discover the enchanting Plitvice Lakes National Park. With its cascading waterfalls, crystal-clear lakes, and lush greenery, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a nature lover's paradise. Embark on a scenic hike through the park's network of trails and boardwalks for an unforgettable experience. Our next hidden gem takes us to Portugal, where we uncover the captivating town of Sintra. This fairy tale destination is home to extravagant palaces, including the iconic Penha Palace. Lose yourself in the whimsical gardens of Quinta da Regaleira and explore the mysterious Initiation Well. Sintra's mystical charm will transport you to a different era. Now, let's venture eastward to Romania, where we find the charming region of Transylvania. Most famous for its connection to Count Dracula, Transylvania offers much more than spooky legends. Explore the picturesque towns of Brasov and Sibiu, visit the breathtaking Bran Castle, and immerse yourself in the region's rich history and folklore. As we head north, we reach the mystical Scottish Highlands. Amidst rolling hills, ancient castles, and shimmering lochs, you'll discover an untamed beauty like no other. Take a road trip along the North Coast 500, hike through Glencoe's dramatic landscapes, and seek out the legendary Loch Ness. The Highlands will leave you spellbound. Slovenia, Lake Bled. Nestled in the Julian Alps, Lake Bled is a picturesque destination that will take your breath away. With its emerald green waters, a fairy tale castle perched on a hilltop, and a tiny island with a church in the middle, Lake Bled offers a serene and romantic atmosphere. Take a traditional wooden boat called a pletna to the island, hike up to Bled Castle for panoramic views, and indulge in the famous Bled cream cake. Sweden, Gotland. Off the southeastern coast of Sweden lies the enchanting island of Gotland. Steeped in history and boasting medieval architecture, cobblestone streets, and picturesque coastal villages, Gotland offers a unique blend of charm and tranquility. Explore the medieval city of Visby, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, visit the beautiful limestone formations at Langhammers and stroll along the sandy beaches. Gotland is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Spain, Ronda. Nestled in the mountains of Andalusia, Ronda is a captivating town that will transport you back in time. Known for its dramatic gorge, the El Tajo, which divides the town, Ronda offers breathtaking views and a rich cultural heritage. Explore the ancient city walls, visit the iconic Puente Nuevo Bridge, and wander through the charming narrow streets of the old town. Don't miss the Bullring, one of the oldest and most picturesque in Spain. Our final hidden gem takes us to the sun-drenched shores of Greece, where we explore the island of Naxos. While Santorini and Mykonos often steal the spotlight, Naxos offers a more authentic and laid-back experience. Stroll through its charming streets, indulge in delicious Greek cuisine, and relax on its pristine beaches. Naxos is a paradise waiting to be discovered. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Europe's hidden gems. So, step off the beaten path, immerse yourself in their unique cultures, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Remember, the true beauty of travel lies in discovering the hidden treasures that often go unnoticed. Join us in our next episode as we continue to unravel the secrets of the world. Until then, happy exploring, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel with fellow wanderers. Safe travels.